Prince Sanderly, a Prudential weather reporter from PXL News. Now let's see what the weather is like. Today, in the next 24 hours, expect warm and humid weather across the Philippines. Due to easterlies are winds coming from the Pacific Ocean, which will bring warm and humid weather across the country. For today's index forecast in Metro Manila is expected to go up to 39 degrees Celsius with 38 degrees Celsius air temperature and 64 relative humidity according to Pag-asa Heat Index or Human Discomfort. Index is a temperature that humans perceive, so we need to be extra careful to avoid heat. For 3-day weather forecast May 8, May 9, and May 10. The highest temperature is 39 degrees Celsius. A minimum temperature of 23 degrees Celsius, partly cloudy with isolated rain shower. The sun will rise at 5:48 a.m. and the sunset is 6:08 p.m. Again, I'm here, Prince Sanderly, a Prudential. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and have a wonderful morning.